Hey, I have a question though. Are your CDs, money markets, mutual funds, 401ks, your commodities, stocks, crypto, are they performing less than your expectations? Another question. Do you have any control over how they perform? So if the answer is no to any one of those questions, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and register for my free live webinar. You also will learn to create wealth through passive investments secured by real estate that is very safe, secure, and can produce attractive returns. So go ahead, click the button, and let's get registered. And I'll see you Saturday live on the webinar.